Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Ducati Key fob. Pretty straightforward process. Here's what you need. One of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. Just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. And also a small flat tip screwdriver. So what you want to do is on this portion, you're going to take this back half and just press it this way. And then slide that out. This right here is a sealed compartment where the battery is stored. So just gently get under there. You want to make sure you don't want to damage this rubber seal. And then take your screwdriver, pop the old battery out. New battery goes in, positive side facing up like that. The most difficult part is getting this seated in here correctly. And then this just slides in like that. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.